Kani kadeka Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani kadeka kanhon kabalatem, kom ka Shahid Swabhiman Yatra, hapok ke jalam jo Presiden Surinder Singh Bidhuri. Kalawan poi hakani kanoba Shillong, ban chim khandiat yaka khandau nakani ke jilla Meghalaya, bat na baro arp khandai tili ke jilla ba per jong kari India. Da ka jing temu melitbu hakajan jong matdor jong Bhagat Singh, bolong wain ki klawaj balai dan benta hakaji le lai luat kari India, naka jing sensar kidole. Hakaji kendo berkinang patai kubor nekasngi ke khatnyo tere ujemang hasilong preslam. Surinder Singh Bidhuri ulayatu bakani ke kanhon kelas dangi ke jialanti napo nong ba Delhi. Nadu ka arplai tere ubnai leber menta usnam arjakat pra bat kani ke kanhon ke penkot igani ke jialanti hadu ka arp sau tere ujilio menta usnam. Hadian bakani ke kanhon kan salak ban pendap ya ke jelit lom ya ke kendo na barok jilla jongkari.
From our side to the government is Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh should be the name nation of son of nation Rashtraputra, like Mahatma Gandhi's Rashtrapita. तो हमारी मांग है शहीद आजम भगत सिंह should be the nation with Rashtraputra, and we are after completing this journey we will make a statue of Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh of around 100 feet on Delhi to Punjab road. So establishing of the largest statue of Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh in the country is a major goal of our, and we are taking the soil from every state of country with a huge statue. The Shahid Memorial Institute will also be established where the information will be given by the experts about the martyrs of the country. This institute will also teach the lesson of patriotism of upcoming generation of the country. And the brave soldiers of army, paramilitary forces and the police who are martyred to protect the country and the countrymen should be equally honored. All facilities will be equally distributed to their dependents and the families. And the aim of our organization is working to create awareness about patriotism in the youth under the efficient leadership. Founder President, myself, Surinder Singh Bidhuri. Our organization is moving ahead with some special points according to which the main objectives of the organization are as follows. Similarly, we want to set up a statue of every martyrs and a memorial on their memory. And we are demanding from the government to make a Shahid Swabhiman card should be given to the dependent and the relatives of martyrs. Beneficiaries get free admission and the education in the government and the non-government education institutes, schools and the college by the card. For them, free treatment should be available in all hospitals, free travel facilities by public transport services. They should be get priority in the government jobs and the free housing. There should be a financial grant for the marriage of unmarried girl in the dependent's family. On the anniversary and the death anniversary of the martyrs, tribunal meetings, national level, traditional sports culture and the patriotic programs should be organized.